Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for IONOS hosting. Signing up for hosting on IONOS is more than just clicking buy. You're choosing the foundation of your website's performance, security, and scalability. If you rush through it, you might overpay or pick features you don't actually need. First, go to your IONOS account and log in. Once logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where you manage everything domains, hosting, and products. Then tap Add Product. You'll see a list of available services. Under Websites and Shops, click Web Hosting. This is the actual hosting service that powers your website. It stores your website files and makes your site accessible online. You'll see a hosting plan. As you can see, the plan offers different levels of performance. You may see options like Site Scan and Repair, which helps for security protection, a Domain Guard, which helps protect your domain, and a Performance Database, which improves speed. These are add-ons and are not required, but you can add them for efficacy. So only choose if you actually need them. If you're just starting, you can skip most add-ons. Check the agreement box. Then tap Order Now. What happens next? Your hosting plan is activated. You can start building your website, and hosting is linked to your account. What you just did, you accessed the dashboard, selected web hosting, chose a plan and optionally added features, then finally completed the purchase. That's a full hosting sign-up. To summarize, signing up for IONOS hosting involves logging in, clicking Add Product, selecting web hosting, choosing a plan, optionally adding features, agreeing to the terms, and placing your order. The key is choosing only what you actually need. And that's how to sign up for hosting on IONOS. The process is simple, but your choices matter long term. Keep it simple, don't overspend, and build up as your project grows. Because with hosting, it's not about having everything, it's about having exactly what you need. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.